So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine of Google Chrome in your Android smartphone. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open Chrome in your smartphone. Here in the top right corner you can see a three dots option. Click on that three dots option and go to settings. Here you can see an option of search engine. Select the search engine option, and here you can see various search engines like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft Bing, Yandex, and DuckDuckGo. Choose the search engine you want. For example, let's choose Microsoft Bing. Now let's go back and close your Chrome app and restart your Chrome app. Now let's search something, and here you can see our default browser has been changed to Microsoft Bing. So that's how you can change your default search engine of Google Chrome in your Android smartphone. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.